Coinbase is suspending its hiring initiatives. In a memorandum uploaded to Coinbase's website, the company's chief people officer L.J. Brock introduced that Coinbase is placing a timeout on employing new staff members and rescinding numerous work deals already accepted by prospective workers, citing current market problems and also recurring service prioritization efforts. The cryptocurrency market has been going down, so the value of stablecoins that are tied to things like fiat money or commodities has gone down too. Coinbase has been slowing down its hiring process since mid-May in order to make sure that the company is in the best position to succeed during and after the current decline. However, this hiring freeze has now extended to backfills or employees who are hired to replace workers who have left the company. This exception only applies to those hired for security and compliance duties. Coinbase is having a hard time because people are not buying NFT, non-fungible tokens as much as they had hoped. Out of the 4,132 people who purchased an NFT on the platform within 19 days of its launch, only $875,000 worth of NFT were sold. This means that each person only bought an average of $46 worth of NFT. Additionally, sales of NFT have been declining in general. In September, 225,000 NFT were sold weekly, but this number has decreased to 19,000 sales per week. Coinbase has not yet said how many people have had their job offers rescinded. However, Coinbase CEO stated that the people who have lost their job offers would be able to take advantage of the company's charitable severance plan and find new work at a talent hub with numerous career sources, including interview coaching, resume review, and networking opportunities. Some people Coinbase hired but then had their offer retracted to say that they might lose their visa. This is because the company is in a downturn and is not hiring as many people. Others have received emails saying that they will still have their job but later received an email saying their offer was retracted. Coinbase boosted its personnel as part of its plan to work with 2,000 staff members in 2022, seeing it visualized massive product chances ahead for the future Web3. Its newest earnings report exposes that Coinbase included 1,218 workers in the first quarter of 2022 alone, bringing its complete headcount to 4,948. Coinbase has frozen hiring because the market for cryptocurrencies is cooling down. This means that other companies that deal with cryptocurrencies are also firing people. The Winklevoss twins, who created the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, have also announced firing 10% of their staff. The same is happening at Rainfall, an extensive cryptocurrency exchange based in the Middle East. They have also let go of dozens of employees. Stay tuned with us and check back for more information by subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications.